So, most of them's either had a bunch or a little, or a bunch or none pretty much. They have 3 frames.
Take it off, see what the bottom looks like, and give it to a weaker one. Or let them keep it. They put it on top.
Let me check some of these other ones out further, see if they just haven't capped them yet. They may have 3.5 in this box. Oh.
I say we put it on top.
Move it up to the top.
Yeah.
And then reevaluate next decent day.
Yeah. Good gravy, look at you beauties. There's a big bunch of beautiful bees.
You want to try it smoke? Well, here, I'll smoke them down so we don't smash as many. Oh, I'm throwing wood chips out of this. Try to get them down so we don't smash them.
Hawk smash.
And the smoker's trying to not work as good as it should be. Couldn't find my normal smoker, so I grabbed this old one today, and it needs to be thrown away.
I agree.
This one has some very thick frames. This one ain't all that thick. That ain't got much. There's some real thick ones. I want them to have this one. I just don't know about squeezing it down in between there.
Yeah. Yep.